This is a supertanker, carrying 2 million barrels of crude oil, enough to fuel a city for a month. It carries black gold, the lifeblood of the modern world. Arriving at the refinery, the unloading process begins. Giant cranes lift the heavy barrels with ease. The barrels are moved to the processing line. Workers carefully open the drums of raw crude.
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! No! Got it open. Check the contents.
The crude oil is thick, black, and sticky like tar. It enters the refinery's circulatory system. Welcome to the refinery, a city of steel and pipes. The oil is pumped into a furnace and heated to 400 degrees Celsius. The boiling oil turns into vapor and rises up the distillation tower. Inside, the vapor separates into different layers based on weight. Lighter fuels like petrol rise to the top. Heavier diesel and jet fuel settle in the middle. The heaviest sludge at the bottom becomes asphalt for roads.
Pressure holding steady. Good. Keep watching.
Engineers monitor the pressure constantly to prevent explosions.
The raw fuel is treated with hydrogen to remove sulfur. Observe this chamber, where a complex chemical reaction is underway. Notice the colors swirling and the vigorous fizzing as compounds interact. This demonstrates the precise, real-time transformations we monitor. Sulfur extracted and solidified it onto yellow box. Alright, let's watch this process. The molten yellow sulfur pours from this pipe. It flows down into the vessel. You can see it mixing and bubbling, a very efficient process.
This sulfur is sold for making fertilizer. Additives are mixed in to improve engine performance. Samples are tested for octane rating and purity. The finished fuel is stored in giant tank farms. Tanker trucks arrive to distribute the fuel. Thousands of gallons are loaded in minutes. Not all oil becomes fuel. Some becomes plastic. These pellets will become bottles, toys, and tech. Lubricants and motor oils are also produced here. Sealed and ready for your car engine. The refinery never sleeps, powering the world 24/7. Delivering energy to keep the world moving.
From black sludge to clear power, chemistry is amazing. One from the process, one from the source. The difference is clear. If you fueled your curiosity, like and subscribe to Rising Story USA. On one hand, we have traditional energy. On the other, a clear future. Together, they tell our rising story.